teachers. Kasi namiss na nga nila ang classroom. They would also like to have a chance na para namang magbigay ng message sa atin. May we call on Ma'am Lourdes Valencia.
Good evening, everybody. I think I will speak bilingual, no? Filipino and English. Kasi when I was in Notre Dame of the Youngest for Girls, I was teaching both English and physical education. Then later, I was with MSU, Mindanao State University, and I also taught the same subjects. I'm very thankful that I was invited to be with you this evening, although I was surprised why a reunion is at this time of the year, when usually reunion is in December. I think it's too early to have a reunion this year, but I'm very happy that I was able to come home last week, and by chance I was able to meet Gilbert, Mr. Tan, and the 4 angels, Hilda, where the others. So, 35 years ago, you could hardly remember the names of your students unless you had been in contact with them for every now and then. So in the zooming at Shakey's, at Gaisano, you know, they were jumping like frogs. Happy to see that I was there. At the same time, he handed me the invitation. And you know, I told him, whenever an invitation is extended to me, I never refuse to accept the invitation because it is my chance to really see my students once again after several years. What can you see from a 4th year, 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, and 4th year students, and now, maybe 50 years after, they're already about 50 years, right? I think many of you are already in your early 50s. So, dapat estudyante muna mag-recognize sa teacher, no? Now, may I beg your pardon because mahirap pag Mr. Cruz, pag ako tinawag magsalita, ako'y magsalita talaga. And then, you know, when he mentioned that his elder sister was a student of Ma'am Fernandez, I said, sino ba yan? And then, he said, bakit yan ni Rosemary Cruz? Oh, si Rosemary! Rosemary was under me for 4 years. Sinundan ko talaga sila. 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year. And when she came home, Mr. Cruz, when she came home, she did not fail to visit me with Marites Ermieta. Nung kanyang barkada, pumunta sa bahay. She was already Mrs. Robinson. Okay, so I was also very happy to see Rosemary once more. I doubt she will come back again. Okay. So, there was the passing of the hat. And you know, I mentioned these 24 people I met at Shakey's the other day. He said, you know, I do not know what happened to Miss Hoyompa. Because there was the time when there was also a reunion at Isla Parilla, and Miss Albiti, he said, without the knowledge of Miss Hoyompa, hindi ko alam ni Miss Hoyompa, but she needs financial help. So they also passed a hat, and they were able to raise about more than 6,000, right? 6,000 at that time. That was the class of Percy Kababayan. Yeah. And you know, Miss Hoyompa, I have not seen her for several years. And I don't know. That's why I was asking, ano naman nangyari sa kanya? Well, really, I was told she needs financial help, and I believe she will be very happy if she'll be able to receive this help from you again. And, well, I think I'm talking too much. So, thank you very much for inviting me and being able to see you tonight, and also with the other teachers. I do not know the people from the boys department. I know your faces are familiar, but actually, I don't know you personally. Siguro yung mga iba dito, mga dancers ko pa from the boys department at that time. I had dancers from the boys department when we had what we call this, the dance troupe. There were some group of boys who used to come down and then join us in the dance troupe. Okay, so thank you very much. I'm very pleased that I was able to see you once again. And please do not hesitate just to come over or just to come near me and then say hi, because introduce yourself, because I will be very happy to really be able to be with you, to recognize you again. Thank you very much.